So I just wanted to show you guys serving suggestions, 2 really quick lunches using the Kalua pork that I canned up earlier. And here they are. I'm going to show you how to do them real quick in today's video. So it's going to be one Hawaiian style plate lunch with the Kalua pork mac salad and white rice. Also I have some taquitos. They're like carnitas style with some pico de gallo. And it's really easy. That's one of the reasons that I really like canning up this Kalua pork. So let's get to the video. So I showed you guys how to can up this Kalua pork in the last video, and so I'm gonna show you guys a couple ways to... So actually this video was a request from one of my subscribers, Lisa Marie, so I wanted to say thank you so much for the great video suggestion. I'm gonna show you guys 2 quick serving suggestions. One of the reasons that I really like having this like this is because it just makes a really quick lunch. So I'm just going to put this on my hot goman with the fat too. And I just want to show you guys how soft this is. So this is just really, really soft pulled pork. And I love the chunks of fat in here. And you can see it has the lard in there too. It rendered the fat. So it's going to be really tasty. So I'm going to turn this up and I'm going to let it start browning. Okay, so I turned my heat up. I'm at a medium-high heat. And what I'm going to do is I like to make sure that if I have any like skin pieces in here, there's not a lot, but I like to try to crisp that up. And I'm going to let this cook and let the juices evaporate and try to get a nice crisp on here. So I'm going to let that cook for a little bit. It usually takes pretty fast. It doesn't take that long at all. Okay, so there's a lot of dry areas here like this. And so what I like doing is I like taking like a fatty piece like this and putting it right on there because that'll give it a nice crisp. So I just look for spots that might need a better spot to get, see like all that fat. I love that fat. So I'm just, oops, I don't know if you saw that. So like that. If that gets a crisp on it, that's like my favorite part. So here's another piece that I'm going to move to a different section to hopefully try to get it some browning on there. Here's another moist piece, and I'm going to move it to that section to have some brown. So it'll still be nice and soft, but it'll also have a good crisp. And it looks just about done, so I'm going to scoot this out of the way. I'm trying to get that off. That's like all flavor right there. So I'm going to scoot this over now. And then I'm going to put some tortillas on here. So I put like 2. Okay, so that's just about done. And how I like to have, I got this bowl ready while this was cooking, And so this is one of the ways that I like to have it, just with some white rice and mac salad, which I had left over from earlier this week with a different meal. And I have that in the process of being edited for you guys too. And then the way that I like to have also this one is just put this on some tacos. The nice thing about this is that this is already seasoned. So this is like a really quick way to have, like, it's kind of similar to carnitas, which I do have a video for the carnitas as well. But this is, I mean, you have this on in your shelf. And so this lunch just took me a couple minutes to make. And then the other thing that I like to do for this, for the carnitas, is put some of my fermented salsa on there, which I'm almost out of. But I do have like the last bit of this jar. And I have a video on that too. I'm almost out. And so really fast, we just have some taquitos and Hawaiian plate lunch. And that's that. I'm gonna eat both of them. Can't forget the shoyu on the rice. So that's 2 easy lunches, really quick, using the Kalua pork that I canned up earlier. So that was the video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the recipes. By the way, I did share my lunch with the kids. Thank you so much for watching.